Increase your Facebook ad performance by firing off the pixel server side as well as in the browser. Now, you don't need technical skills to be able to get through these quick steps. We're gonna go through 3 quick and easy steps on how to set up your metapixel if you've not already got it set up. And then of course, for those that do, to get rid of that alert for poor match quality. What we're not gonna do in this video is go through all the steps to create a business meta account and a page. We will have a video that goes through all the basics of Facebook ads in the future, but for today, we're gonna focus on the pixel. Smash that subscribe button and toggle that notification bell. So for step 1, go ahead and navigate to your ads manager from your Facebook account. Once that loads, come over here to the left-hand navigation and we're gonna search for Events Manager. We're gonna click on that. Once you're in the Events Manager, if you don't already have a data source connected, you're gonna get immediately prompted to connect that data. So we're gonna create our pixel here. So we're gonna click on this button here for Connect Data, and we're gonna select Web and Connect. We're gonna name this pixel for the sake of this example test pixel, and we're gonna create the pixel. We now get to add our website URL. I'm going to put in here https:/test.com, and then I'm gonna select here check. You can now see that test pixel here populated. Now we're gonna come back over to the left-hand navigation and we're going to navigate now to data sources. Now, whether or not you have a pixel already set up or this is the first time you've set it up, the process is relatively the same. Rather than click on continue pixel setup here, we're actually gonna navigate over to settings. Now you can see the pixel ID. We're gonna go ahead and hover over that and copy it. You can also click copy there. And then we're going to go over to our site. For today's example, we're gonna go ahead and use WordPress and a plugin to be able to install this pixel on the server side. You can do this with a server-side container of Google Tag Manager, as well as a variety of other options. Go ahead and navigate over to your WordPress dashboard, and you're gonna come down to Plugins. Come up to Add New, and you're going to search for Pixel Your Site. The plugin looks like this. Once you find this plugin, go ahead and download it and then activate it to your WordPress dashboard. You can now install your pixel a couple different ways. You can go back up to the top of the page and look for the yellow prompt to add the pixel, or you can come to the left-hand navigation and select Pixel Your Site and then Dashboard. We're gonna go ahead and scroll down here and look for the meta pixel here and click for settings. Now, there are 5 key settings that you need to make sure you do. Number 1, enable that conversion API. Number 2, toggle on and enable that advanced matching. Number 3, add your meta pixel that we have copied on our clipboard here. Number 4, we're gonna have to go back to our pixel setup and generate an access token. So let's toggle back over to that Events Manager. We're in the settings of that pixel still, and we're gonna scroll down here until we see Conversions API, you see Set Up a New Gateway, and then right up under Set Up Direct Integration, you see Generate Access Token. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to create the access token right here, and you can go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Once you have it copied to your clipboard, go ahead and go back to your Pixel Your Site settings, and come down to that Conversion API text box and paste it there. Now, the 5th setting is really a bonus setting. We're gonna go ahead and test our code. So we're going back to our Events Manager. We're gonna toggle over to Test Events, and we're gonna click on Confirm Your Server's events are set up correctly. So we're gonna grab this test event code, copy that, go back to Pixel Your Site settings, and paste that in the test event code text box. Lastly, we need to scroll all the way to the bottom and select Save Settings. Now the final step is to go back over to your Facebook Events Manager, and we are going to confirm that that website's events are set up correctly. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna plug in our website domain, our primary or homepage URL, and then we're gonna go ahead and select Open Website. Now, another bonus pro tip here is to download the Chrome extension Metapixel Helper. Let me show you what this looks like. We're gonna toggle over to my site here, and you can see up here in the top right that Chrome extension Metapixel Helper. And right there, I can see the page view and the pixel ID are installed. If you ran this through the test inside Events Manager, you can now also go back to your Events Manager and see the test information come through. Now, if you have an existing implementation of the Meta Pixel, you need to remove that primary installation of the Pixel, whether that was from Google Tag Manager, a header footer code manager, or being manually installed on your site. Regardless if this is a new Pixel implementation or an update to an existing implementation, it's going to take a couple of hours up to 24 hours to start to see the changes inside Events Manager. But this is what you're looking for. I'm going to toggle back to the Events Manager, and when I come over to the Overview tab, I'm going to see that Pixel installation like I did before. And if this worked correctly, I'm now going to see great rather than poor for the event match quality if there was an existing poor alert. Not only are these steps going to enhance your conversion tracking for Meta ads, but it's also preparing your site for the future and the many changes that are coming around the corner. If you found this information helpful, go ahead and like the video, smash that subscribe button, and toggle that notification bell so that you can stay up on all the latest videos where we're showing you how to do all sorts of great things for your digital marketing. This is Quinn with RunLeadGen, and thanks.